Hi, welcome to Compass training session. This is part 2 of our comms module. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to create beautiful HTML emails. I will cover all 4 eNews products: single eNews, festive eNews, eCard, eNews. I will show you how to create, edit, add images, create a found set to send. I will also share some ideas on content. eNews is part of comms, and as such you have a few ways to get to eNews: from the home page, client page, birthday report, alerts. Let's start with eNews. On around the 10th of each month, Blackframe produces eNews for Compass users. The stories and links are usually from ANZ Blue Notes and CoreLogic, with the occasional article from the RBA regarding rates or realestate.com. eNews is a complete locked email, so no changes can be made. Just click the email button and it's all done for you. There are some cool features built into our eNews products, like clicking on the mobile lending banner. It takes your clients to your ANZ lending page. Also, clicking the image or click here button, clients will be taken to the relevant website about the article you are sending. At the bottom, your details and disclaimer have been added. If you have a photo, we can add that for you as well. If you have profiles on Facebook or LinkedIn, those links can be added as well. Before I get into showing you how to send emails, I recommend that you run the email error report. Click Reports button located top right of the screen. Choose Email Error Report, located on the top row, third from the right. Note, this report is only available to level 1 and 2 users. This report will check for errors on all your clients' email addresses. Some of the most obvious are no @ symbol, or double dots, or no text after the @ symbol. Others are not so easy to recognise. For example, there may be spaces added in an email address field but no text, or someone has copied and pasted an email address into an email field and it has a return carriage recorded. If you do get a list of errors, then fix them and rerun the report until there's no errors. If you cannot fix them, then I suggest that you set the client's email marketing to no emails. One last point. Make sure you return to clients and redo your search, or if you're sending to your whole database, then click Show All Record. Return to Comms and click eNews. We are now back at our eNews page, ready to send out our emails. Click the email icon on the top bar. You will be prompted to send emails and will be notified how many emails will be sent. When complete, a notice will be displayed to confirm that your emails have been sent to Outlook. Click OK to return to eNews. A record will be added to notes against each client that you sent an email to. Next is single eNews. Imagine you can now create your own HTML emails in Compass. You'll have all the tools needed to create a single eNews item for your database. Previously, I demonstrated eNews with content that is generic for the country. Single eNews is designed for your local market. Example of this would be a country town. News there may not be relevant to anywhere else, so the local franchise owner can now add their own local content. Another use of single eNews would be to add an article that may be of interest to your clients. On the left of the screen is a step-by-step instruction guide on how to build and add content. I will go through each step and show you how easy it is to create and then email your stories. First, look for an interesting story. Remember, it does not have to be about lending, it's about staying in contact with your database. When searching the internet, you will find it easier if you use Google Chrome to gather the necessary information. I have located an article about tips and traps when buying real estate from the Financial Review website. First, right-click the image and choose Copy the Image. Then proceed to Compass and paste it in the image field. Next, we copy the web address and paste that into the Compass link. Look for a short caption that may entice your readers to click on the article. Add this to the title text. From the website, copy a paragraph, usually the first one, which gives some insight into the article. You are now ready to send your email. The longest part of the exercise is locating worthwhile articles. Simply click the email button to send. You will be notified how many emails will be sent. Click Yes to continue. A message will be displayed once Compass has completed building and sending your emails to Outlook. Let's look at Festive eNews. Festive eNews is about Christmas, New Year, Chinese New Year, Australia Day, Easter, newborn baby, special local days, To the left of the screen you will notice a library, which also includes a tab for instructions. In the center is a preview of your email. To the right is where you add your email settings. Once you find your favorite image, you can add it to your library. Collect and save images in Compass for reuse later. The process is like eNews. All you need is a striking image to draw the eye of your readers. In my example, I am sending out an Australia Day message. I've typed my short message in quote. There are two ways to add an image. Choose an image from your library and click the upload button. The other way is search the internet as I previously demonstrated. In the title text, I added Happy Australia Day 2017. Completed my email with a short text. All of this took approximately 5 minutes. I'm now ready to send. A notable difference when sending emails from Compass is that all emails are personalised. In our example, I'm sending an email addressed to Hi William and Norma, as opposed to just saying hi. Click the email button on the top bar and Compass will construct and send your emails to Outlook, ready to send. If you do not have Auto Send and Receive turned off, Outlook will start sending instantly. It is good business practice to always have Auto Send and Receive turned off, but this is entirely user preference. To conclude this training session, I will demonstrate how eCard works and how quick it is to send birthday messages. eCard is designed to send any type of card to individual clients. It may be for birthday, for a birth of a son or daughter, Easter, Christmas, whatever you wish to send. One main difference between eCard and the eNews group is that it is used for single clients only, not couples. If you are unsure of how to complete the process, follow the instructions located on the left of the screen. On the right of the screen, Compass displays useful information, the date of birth, and the age your client is today. This may assist in how you structure your card. The client's email addresses are displayed. If the fields are empty, you will not be able to send out any e-cards. As with Festive eNews, there is a library that you can build on to store your favourite images. To add an image, either click the upload button or type it into the image field. Type a short quote, add a title text with a short text message. Note, the fields you edit will be saved for all users to use until it is edited again. It is good practice that you standardise the messages from your business. Once completed, just click the email button on the top of the bar. Compass will do the rest. There is two ways Compass lets you know who is having a birthday. The first is alerts. When you first log in on the day, Compass will display your alerts in red. These alerts include anyone who is having a birthday that day. Click alerts and a list will be displayed. Click on the E button located on the top right of the screen. This will take you to eCard and set the found record to that record only. Check the content of the eCard and click the email button. To send out a date range of birthdays, go to Reports. Go to the second row, click Birthday icon. You will now have more options. Set the start and end dates, choose your client type. You can also restrict the search to a loan writer from the drop-down list. Click Find. Click the eCard button located top right of your screen. Compass will retain your found set. You can arrow through each record and omit those with no email addresses, or Compass will do it for you. To finish, click the email button. Compass will let you know how many emails are being sent, and once completed will let you know your emails have been sent to Outlook. Congratulations, you have now successfully completed your eNews tutorial. I hope you find eNews an exciting and a professional marketing tool. Finding content to use to market to your database is only restricted by your imagination. Thank you for joining me. Look out for other training videos. As well as videos, Compass has a built-in help function. Look for the question mark symbol located at the bottom right of your screen. Click to open. Type your question and Compass will provide results based on your words, like a Google search. Till next time, have a great day.